Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 7th November 2023. India is pulling out all the stops to get Elon Musk's Tesla to the country, with government departments working to provide all the required approvals by January 2024. The Prime Minister's office on Monday held a meeting with top officials to take stock of the next phase of electric vehicle manufacturing in the country, including Tesla's investment proposal. The Ministries of Commerce and Industry, Heavy Industry, and Electronics and IT have been in discussions about the electric car makers' plans after Tesla CEO Elon Musk met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the US during his visit in June. Notably, India has invited US President Joe Biden to be the chief guest for the Republic Day celebrations on January 26th. Senior Tesla executives have discussed with the government plans to set up car and battery manufacturing facilities in India. The EV maker has expressed interest in bringing its supply chain ecosystem to India. Renowned international brands such as Louis Vuitton, Dior, Cartier, Bulgari, Gucci, and Giorgio Armani are leading the way with increased sales compared to last year. Higher spending per customer than last year across all luxury categories signals an uptick in overall expenditure this festive season. The government is mulling some relief on the levy of goods and service tax on vouchers or gift cards offered by companies and retailers, addressing the issue of double taxation in some instances. A host of retailers offer vouchers or gift cards to customers that can be redeemed for their products. A clarification on the issue is expected shortly. Some vouchers have GST levied on them at the time of purchase, which leads to double taxation when they are used to buy goods or services that also include the tax. The proposed clarification is expected to clear the air on taxability of vouchers and gift cards, suggesting they should not be taxed at the point of sale. It is also likely to spell out taxation of vouchers that are tradable or sold to distributors or dealers by companies. The issue largely pertains to the taxation of multi-purpose or non-identifiable vouchers which can be redeemed for any goods or services. Services or the goods paid for by these vouchers face tax at the applicable rate. The industry maintains that these vouchers should be taxed only at the time of redemption at the applicable GST slab on the goods or service purchased and not at the time of the issuance, as it would lead to double taxation. Single-purpose or identifiable vouchers can be redeemed for the goods they have been issued for, and since the goods or services to be purchased are known, face tax at the time of their issuance. The green economy is booming, and the country's green industry is expected to add 3.7 million jobs by financial year 25 to the current 18.5 million, according to the Green Industry Outlook report by Team Lease Digital. The most sought after green skills are in renewable energy, environmental health safety, solar energy, corporate social responsibility, and sustainability. The profiles that are in most demand are solar project managers, solar O&M technicians, wind energy engineers, biofuel process engineers, carbon analysts, sustainability consultants, PCB design engineers, e-waste managers, and hydrogen project managers. Days after IT majors Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys asked their employees to return to office, their peer Wipro Limited has also issued a similar directive to its staff. Wipro has announced a mandatory hybrid work policy effective from November 15th. Under this policy, employees are required to work from the office for a minimum of 3 days each week. During COVID pandemic, all IT firms decided to let employees work from home, but with the pandemic on the wane and moonlighting emerging as a scourge, hybrid work policy has become a norm these days.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.